Previously.
Well, the C7 ZR1 is back out.
Cam, valve springs, everything that goes with doing a cam, we're doing.
Are we changing the lower too?
Yeah. That's what our LT5 cams are called, the Magic Stick.
Magic Stick? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I like it. Put one in, we have to play that 50 Cent song. When this thing came in, it was rattling. Kind of sounded like clutch chatter. We put it up on the lift, and it was not coming from the clutch, it was coming from the trans. So Matt's going to put this up in the air, take the trans out, and we're going to send that out. It up, Eric.
I show you magic. What?
So you got the trans out of this thing?
Yeah. Just got it box up on a pallet.
Put everything back on so we can roll it around the shop?
Yes.
So we'll have to wait, find out how much this thing puts down. What a night and day difference from this thing before and after. Just the engine bay.
It looks a lot better.
Yeah.
It will run a lot better too.
For sure. So to do a little recap, this was basically stock. Had an ECS blower, which is a Novi 1500. We did our heads cam package, headers, A&A kit,
Clutch.
meth, and clutch. Already had a booster pump on it from before. Made 580 before. I think we're gonna do way better than that.
We should.
I mean, our heads cam does way better than that. So heads cam plus blower, only five
He's
pounds.
still in my way. I don't know how much boost it's on. 5.3 pounds.
Okay. Because stock L7 pistons.
Yep, those junks.
It's another reason why we like doing the method too, is keeps it safer. Yeah, safer. Not bad.
On its way.
You know, single digit timing.
It goes up to 10.5.
Okay, I figured you were around there.
Oh, 11 at
Ooh.
6,200. We're getting up there.
You might have to back.
I might have to pull some down. First up.
What's this thing getting?
AI heads, ARH headers, and a Veyron. Anything skid steering, no cam.
Oh, okay. All right.
No cam.
480 because they're always in pairs.
I don't know how light these wheels are. 448. Eric's 469, obviously.
We can trash these guys.
Yeah.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name, girl?
I already know what beer you like because you told me.
All right, let's leave the singing to the experts. You guys are pretty bad.
And you're a scumbag.
I know that.
That's nice, you know,
least
calling us and
I just think you can't sing. And neither can I.
Matt. I think Matt takes offense to that.
Matt can't sing either.
Going out for American Idol for at least 2-3 years now.
Yeah, well, William Hung did too, but that didn't mean anything. I'm pretty sure he's homeless now.
Well, he had it. If he is, it's only because he's.
All right, Matt, give me some bars.
I don't sing on camera.
You know what?
I can't even sing in public.
Well, how are you going to go on American Idol if you can't sing in
Oh,
front
that's
of the
why
camera?
it's been taking me so long, Steve. God. And now I'm just right back to ground zero with my confidence.
12-point.
Yeah, Eric, I do. You know that.
Yeah, you put it in my box, in your own box.
Yeah, because I use it like every day and use it like once a year.
So he puts my socket in his box.
First off,
Married
because
couple.
I have a spot for it. Instead of last time he left it all loosey-goosey in his top drawer and it took us an hour to find the thing.
Loosey goosey, huh?
What a scumbag.
All right, let's
Unorganized
get some
shooting
bars.
toolbox.
Let's get this confidence
Dude,
up.
it's not gonna happen.
Why?
He's got this monstrosity in my face.
Dude, you really don't think American Idol counts? They're way bigger.
Could you please stop disturbing my coworker?
There's only about 10,000 people that are gonna watch this, not 10 million.
Wait, guess nobody on YouTube likes me either.
It's not me.
I'm gonna jump off the Delaware Memorial Bridge tonight.
Okay.
It's all your fault.
Can I film it?
That's nice. There's somebody probably watching that would love to jump on the bridge.
Well, there's water. He'll be fine. He'll break his ankles.
I don't think that's the way it works.
You might break your ankles. Leave your shoes on, you'll be alright. It's what, 50 feet? I don't know how high it is.
Probably like 150.
You think so?
Are you kidding me? Did you say is the Delaware Memorial Bridge 50 feet high?
You know how many
50 off
people
the
would
water.
jump off of it?
I don't know.
50 off the water? Try maybe like 150.
That's what I thought.
Alright, you'll be alright.
Delaware Memorial Bridge, the clearance below, 174 feet.
So I was close. That's what you're saying.
This is a stock keyway, a ZR1. We're putting an ATI balancer on it. This is
It's got like a notch in it.
machined edge.
Okay.
All right, let's see how the pulley goes on.
So ATI balancer.
Look at that.
Like
Now it fits on.
Dude, is that lower gonna fit?
Yeah. Sure.
All right, here we go. Bring her around so I catch this hole.
Ooh.
Which hole?
Yeah, which hole are you trying to catch?
Which one are you talking about?
Mr. Brown Eye.
You okay?
Yeah. Matt loves the Mr. Brown Eye.
216.
216, Matt.
At least 240.
Wow. 237.
Do you want someone with muscles to do it? I'll do it for you.
Oh, there it is.
I would have done it in one pass. Just saying.
Yeah. $28.
You blotting up the coolant
Yeah.
in the holes.
Sure am.
Do you want to explain to the people the importance of getting all of the coolant out of the bolt holes? It's kind of a big deal.
Yeah, it is kind of a big deal because basically when you tighten the head bolt back down, you're trying to compress, you know, there's only enough space for the bolt. So when you have a teaspoon of coolant sitting in the bottom of the hole, you're compressing that at extreme pressures. I mean, it could literally crack a block.
Yeah. Oh, it has. It's been known to crack blocks.
Yeah.
Especially it starts boiling up in there too, expanding.
Not to mention your torque spec is going to be nowhere near accurate if you're tightening down on top of liquid.
So we'll get all the coolant out of those. Usually blow them out as well.
Yeah, hit with air.
Make sure they're 100% clean. Little things. Takes time. So Matt loops them up in the box.
Gonna do one of these knobbies right here.
So what's the deal on the lower? You got that one fits all right?
I had to shave the pulley.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's what, the 10%? You got a flash? Oh, here. Nice, thank you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
It fits good now.
Clears it.
And I just need a blower belt. It's fired up.
So 2.7 upper, 10% lower, all vacuums, cam, ported blower, throttle body. Well, throttle body. What's the
Throttle body adapter.
throttle body adapter? But yeah,
Run a 105.
putting the finishing touches on this thing. Yep. Bear ram going on.
This bear ram nice and low. Definitely need to get that coupler past this crease, or else the thing's never gonna sit down. Oh yeah, she low. Woo! That's how it's done.
SS with a rotofab, you want to do a guess?
385.
Okay. Solid. 396.